Do you feel shy when people ask, how was your new year?
Do you think, oh no, I don't know what to say?
Relax, you are not alone.
Today, we practice together.
How to talk about your new year in English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hello, my friends. Nice to see you again.
You are watching the English Mindset Podcast.
This channel is for shy English learners.
We speak slowly,
We use easy English.
and we practice real-life English together.
If you like this video, please like it
Please subscribe to the channel.
and share this video with a friend.
A friend who wants to speak English with confidence.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's talk about New Year in English. Jack, how was your New Year?
Oh, my New Year was simple but funny.
Tell me, I want to hear.
On New Year's Eve, I stayed at home.
Really? Not a big party?
No big party, just a small plan. I wanted to sleep early.
Sleep early on New Year's Eve?
Yes, that was my plan. But at 11:50, my friends called me.
Oh no, what did they say?
They said, "Come outside. Happy New Year."
That sounds fun.
Yes, but I was tired.
I understand that feeling.
I went outside in my pajamas.
In your pajamas? That's funny.
Yes, very funny. People were shouting.
Happy New Year!
Yes, everyone was happy. We counted together.
10, 9, 8.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Then fireworks started.
Wow, colorful fireworks.
Yes, very beautiful. After that, we talked and laughed.
Did you eat something special?
Yes, we ate snacks and cake. At 1 a.m., I went home.
That's late.
Yes, I was very sleepy. On New Year's Day, I woke up late.
Same for me.
I drank coffee and relaxed. I thought about my New Year goals.
Goals are important.
Yes, small goals, not big ones. The lesson is simple.
What is the lesson?
Your new year does not need to be perfect.
Yes, simple is okay. Now let's learn useful phrases to talk about New Year.
Easy phrases you can use anywhere.
Today's useful phrase number 1 is Happy New Year.
We say this on New Year's Day or New Year's Eve.
Example, Happy New Year, Jack.
Repeat after me. Happy New Year.
Phrase number 2 is on New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve is December 31.
Example, on New Year's Eve, I stayed up home.
Repeat after me. On New Year's Eve.
Phrase number 3 is New Year's Day.
New Year's Day is January 1.
Example, on New Year's Day, I relaxed.
Repeat after me. New Year's Day.
Phrase number 4 is very useful. I stayed at home.
This means you did not go out.
Example, I stayed at home with my family.
Repeat after me. I stayed at home.
Phrase number 5 is I had a good time.
This means you were happy.
Example, I had a good time with my friends.
Repeat after me. I had a good time.
Phrase number 6 is my New Year goal is.
A goal is something you want to do.
Example, my New Year goal is to learn English.
Repeat after me. My New Year goal is.
Very nice.
You are learning real English.
Now let's practice together.
Please speak out loud.
First practice.
Say, Happy New Year.
Let's review today's phrases.
Number 1, Happy New Year.
Number 2, on New Year's Eve.
Number 3, New Year's Day.
Number 4, I stayed at home.
Number 5, I had a good time.
Number 6, my New Year goal is.
Simple, useful, easy English.
Be proud of yourself.
Your English is growing. Thank you for learning with us today.
You did a great job.
Now tell us in the comments.
How was your New Year?
Was it fun, quiet, busy?
Write one simple sentence.
Please like this video
Subscribe to the channel.
and share it with a friend.
A friend who is learning English.
Keep practicing.
Don't be afraid to speak.
See you next time.
Happy learning.
Bye-bye.
Bye.